Okay, I'm using 3 of IR sensor. First, IR sensor detect for closed gate, and this IR sensor detect for open gate, and this IR sensor detect for something obstacle. And for control on off switch, I using blink as a remote control to control the gate open and close. And when we press open, when we press on, so the gate will close. When the gate is closed, and red LED will blinking until it closes. And the motor is moving the gate. So when something obstacle, we have something obstacle, so the orange LED will light up. When don't have orange obstacle, and orange will off. And when motor is moving until the gate is closed. Okay, when the gate is closed, motor will start moving and red LED will always turn on. And to open the gate, when I press the switch, green LED will blinking and motor will rotate with different angle. So the gate will open. And it's the same situation when something obstacle, the orange RGB will turn on. It means something have obstacle the gate. When I remove the something obstacle, the orange LED will turn off. And if nothing, when something obstacle, the step motor also turn off. So the gate will not moving. So when the gate is still moving and the green LED still blinking, when it completely open, so the green LED will static, will always open, and that show the gate is on open. So the same we can repeat when we press a button. So the button can control open and close. Okay, thank you.